This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Using a trolley jack positioned under the rear axle trailing arm, raise the trailing arm to take the strain from the shock absorber. Slacken and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Undo the upper mounting bolt and withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then refit the upper mounting bolt. Don't tighten it at this stage. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the trailing arm, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Again, don't tighten it at this stage. Raise the jack under the trailing arm until the vehicle begins to lift from the stand. Then tighten the upper bolt to the specified torque. Refit the road wheel, lower the vehicle to the ground, then tighten the lower mounting bolt and the road wheel bolts to their specified torques.